All right, again, 2017 Ford F350 Platinum, and it looks like it wants to shut off. I've been sitting here for too long. Anyway, it's got 81,734 miles on it. This truck is deleted, but I have everything to put it back to stock. The original exhaust, all the filters, everything that would put it back to stock. Does have an S&B air intake in it. Has a 5-inch exhaust on it. Does have a different front bumper with a winch in it. Now we put the front bumper on, not realizing that the wiring, or they put it on not realizing the wiring was in the other bumper and threw it out. So I'm missing the wiring harness for the adaptive cruise control, and I can't get one right this second. So I have the sonar and all that stuff for the adaptive cruise control, but I don't have the wiring harness to hook it up. So if you buy the truck right now, the adaptive cruise control right here, it's not working because it's missing the wire from the sonar to plug into the truck. So we can get it from Ford when it comes back, but right now it's on back order. So again, keep in mind, adaptive cruise control doesn't work. Will work after you get the wiring harness. So all the windows work. They're tinted. Power sliding rear window. By the red button, it works. This has a sunroof. Big sunroof. And then the sunroof opens, no problem. The second stage, the sunroof. So again, sunroof works. I'll just start a new video just so this one's not so long to load up. It does have the upfitter switches and everything on there too.